Woo! What is up, everybody? Today I'm back, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the Transformers Rise of the Beast Yolopark Rhinox. Yeah, this is the first ever other Maximal I'm gonna be unboxing. So let's unbox them. So I've only ever unboxed the only other Maximal. Oh wait, no, this is my second Maximal unboxing since. Wait, no, this is my third. This is my third because I opened up Air Razor too, but she wasn't in Yolopark. She was the deluxe class. Peel off the tape. Oh my god, this gives me nostalgia building the others. Oh! Rhinox. He's also an upgrade kit for Optimus. So like, see, Optimus now has his cannons, his blades, and his axe. But we'll get to that later. He's right here, by the way. Optimus is right here, ready for his weapons. Here's the instructions, but we don't need that. We just need to look on the thing. Right. So, first up, we got the head. It looks like there's something meant to be. Oh, yep, it's this. Okay, so we touch this on. You just nudge it in a bit. These are the like tusks he has for some reason. Then we got his head. His head. What's his ball joint stuff? His ball joint is stuck. Okay, there we go. Stick? Did it stick? Nope, it did not stick. Give me a sec. Having trouble putting on Rhinox's head. Whoa. He's 20 centimeters.
Take a picture of this first.
No, I'm already like, whoa, recording. Okay, so. Oh god. Why? It's not even attached yet. How? Nudge it. Please just nudge in there. The ball joint. I hate the Maximal ball joints. They're so annoying. I actually need help. Hold up. Alright, that was tedious, but we got it on. That was very tedious. Okay. Then we got the arms. Wait, no. We should just get his legs first. Okay, what do we need for the legs? This? Okay. Attach this. This looks like it's supposed to be made for something. No, not this. Okay. Oh, it's for this. What's the heck? Huh? Isn't this supposed to go on? Yeah, it is. Oh no, the ball joint for this doesn't want it to go on. That's so dumb. That's so dumb. How? Just how? This peg is too big for this. Oh my god. How? How does it expect me to do that? Okay, the pistons are... Whoa! Tedious. This is tedious. This is taking stupidly long. Just go in the ball joints! Ah! It just does not want to go into the place where it needs to be. Yolopark, what the heck is this bull crap? It's meant to go there. Why does it not want to go there? It's stupid as heck. Yolopark needs to improve on this. Right as when I start talking about it, it wants to go on. Wow. 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 It's not like you're gonna stay on that forever. Huh. It's mocking me? It's literally mocking me. It's actually mocking me. Give me a sec. Finally, this prick actually wanted it to go on. Alright, next up. I wonder what these parts are for. I actually wonder. What are those for? Does this go there? I think it goes on like this. That's stupidly tight. Okay, maybe not now. Not now. All right, legs. No, that's just a leg piece. Okay, so these are the legs. These are his legs. Now I just gotta make sure they're which one's which. Okay, so they have to move like that. Then on this one, you just put this one. Then gotta enjoy it being pre-assembled. Okay, then just continue. Alright, then we get the feet. Making sure they're in there. Alright, they're in there. Then let's get the other foot. Just on it. No, there's no snap whenever they go on. I don't know why. Okay. Rhinox, let's give you your feet. Wait, hold up. Alright, we got them on. Woo! That was extremely stressful. God. We still have to do this. No! What is with these crotch plates? This should have just been pre-assembled. The crotch plates should have been pre-assembled. Oh my god, I hate the crotch plates so much. Okay. I'm actually looking at the instructions. Let's see. Going like this. That seems right. Don't practice. Oh my god! I need help again. I feel bad for him. He keeps having to help me. But there we go. Now let's build Rhinox's arm so he can actually do stuff. Instead of just walking around naked. Yeah, a sec. Gonna just fully attach his legs on so that they don't squirm around. It's the best I could get it to, but we're gonna keep it like that for now until like. What the frick? Huh? Nah, dude, you're telling me this Yolopark. What the heck is this? Why does it not want to stand up properly? What's wrong? Oh yeah, the other leg is higher up than the other. Okay. Just let me push it. Alright, did that fix it? Nope. The other one is still too high. Wait a sec. Why? Rhinox? I hate this man so much. Why? Why? You're not even kneeling or anything. How is this even possible? Okay, I'm taking off the... So that it's easier. He just hates me. Why? He's Rhinox. This is so frustrating. Then just this is gonna be an Optimus Primal situation. Why? Okay, let's finally get to building his arms. That did not have to take as long as it needed to be. Okay, so we get them. What does they want them on exactly? Okay. Okay. Then where does this plate go? Okay. Then his hand, which actually is articulated. Like the fingers are articulated. Ow! Why is it spiky? Okay. Ow. That hurt. That actually hurt me. Ow. Ow. Yeah, they are posable. Let's keep them at a relaxed position first, though. Keep them relaxed. Wait, no, not yet, not yet. Get this one. And then get this one. Okay, got this. Now let's attach on his arms. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, those are some tight joints. Why? Why did you have to detach from the crotch? Okay, then the other arm. I'm not even sure if they even attached. It's gonna be hard to pose him. Since Rhinox is so like freaking bulky. Alright, we got him done. Now let's at least try to pose him. I spent a while making him after all, so let's try to pose him. Alright, let's open up the upgrade kit, which comes with Rhinox. It also has his axe, so we gotta get that too. I mean, no, his hammer. Oh my god, this is literally a tenderizer. It's a tenderizer. Like those things chefs use to like tender meat. Okay, so I've got to open up the fingers more. Like this. Then we just insert in like that. I'll quickly tuck in the fingers because it is going to escape. It will attempt to escape actually. So like this. No, that's goofy as heck. That's goofy. Why does turning it do that? No! How do you want to hold it, Rhinox? Just how? How do you want to hold your axe? I mean your hammer. It's so loose! Oh no. Okay, so I guess it like goes around like this. Then we get the fingers just tuck in. And then this finger does that. Let's go, we got it on. It's just very loose. It's still very loose. How are you? I hate it. I hate it. Stay on already! Oh my god. It keeps spinning. It keeps spinning. Okay. I'm gonna put him into a pose at least before I get Optimus to do his thing. Okay, I got him in a pose. Let's see it. Oh no, his legs aren't ready for it yet, so let's get them ready. He's supposed to be like the bulkiest of the Maximals, like the strongest of them. But he is more clumsy than... He's so He's so clumsy. He is so clumsy. Please stop, Rhinox. More like the clumsiest of the Maximals. This video is going to take longer than it should have. Oh my god. He's so loose. Are you freaking kidding me? His joints are so tight that it's impossible to like put him in a dynamic pose without him like fumbling around like some kind of jelly. Jellyox. Jelly Rhinox. Okay, is this? Yeah, that works. Okay. Now let's just move him to the side and give Optimus his weapons. He's right here. Optimus is still here just waiting for like the past 26 minutes. So let's give him his weapons. So first up we got the arm cannon. Oh god, where'd his arm go? Where'd his hand go? Okay, so. Oh. Wait. Wait, no. Wait. He's having trouble standing up. Okay. Okay. Optimus. Good. Okay. So down here are his weapons. So let's get his arm cannon first. I think it's this one. Yeah. Oh, what? The barrel can spin. That's cool. Okay, so we attach the joint. I suppose where do I attach the joint? Okay. The ball joint is not ball jointing. No, where do I actually put it? Okay. Give me a sec. That went on way easier than any of Rhinox's parts. How? Just how? That is so dumb. That is so dumb. That is so freaking dumb. It went on easier than most of Rhinox's parts. Okay, now let's see if we can put him in a pose while doing it. Let me pose him. Yay, Optimus! He can also dual wield because there is also another one in here. It's also this one. Okay. So now he can dual wield blasters. He's got a dual wield. Oh. Which side was it? Is it this one? Nope, that's not it. Okay. Which side was it? Wait. I'm trying to find it. Okay, I think I found it. Pardon the loud noises. We're getting a new door. Alright, let me pose him now. Alright, let's go, Optimus! Yeah, that's why he's the leader of the Autobots. Alright, now I want to remove this because it also has a blade for him. He dual wields swords. This is the sword he uses to decapitate Scourge. I wish I did not have to say decapitate. Okay, let's just put him back into a neutral pose with the cannon. Kind of reminds me of Mega Man, but I feel like Mega Man did it first. First stop. Okay, so let's get this one. Ow! Okay, that's actually sharp. Oh my god. So this goes on to here. Wait, no, I have to put it here first. So you clip it on. Ow. Okay, there, we clipped it on. But we're not just done yet because we have to spin it. So that, yeah! so that it actually goes in the right direction. So now I can put back his fist. Oh, my bad. Give me a sec. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Alright, let's pose him now. Some came off. That's normal though. We can also make him dual wield swords too. There's obviously another one, but I'll just do that for other posing. And then finally, the hand made for an axe has a purpose, since this is an axe. So let's get his hand that is supposed to be made for this, which is this one. So now this hand actually has a purpose. Just gotta nudge it in. Yeah, see, now there's a purpose to it. Okay, I'm ending the video here. Look at this. Yeah.